Hi guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. Here's a series of videos for quick little tutorials, tricks, and tips on the 2019 Toyota Highlander. Kind of good information to know. So if you own one of these, definitely check it out, and you'll like to know a lot of this information. First thing I want to point out on the 2019 Toyota Highlander, anything that is LE Plus and above has a power lift gate. There's a lot of advantages with the power lift gate, and if you don't know, there is a disadvantage. I'll show you that really quick here. So basically, the power lift gate, how it operates, you can use the smart key to open the lift gate. So basically, you hit the lift gate button right here, pop that bad boy open. And also, you can press the button on the top to lower it again, or use the key. So we're going to use the key to quickly lower it. One thing I want to point out, if your glass window is open, I'll show you where that button is to open that. It will not operate. So basically, the glass window is right here. To open it up, you just press this button right here. Pops it open. It's great. So why the power lift gate doesn't work when the glass window is open? It doesn't want to break the glass. That would be pretty bad. So really big thing to do, guys, is make sure you close that glass window nice and shut. If you do not, that power lift gate will not work. If you do not close this nice and shut, like I said again, that power lift gate won't work. So most of my customers come in thinking their power lift gate's broken, and in reality, it's just you need to shut that glass window. That's kind of a cool trick to know, and yeah. Hey, thanks guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. That's just a quick little trick on the Toyota Highlander to make your life a little bit easier. If you own one of these, or if you want to own one of these, come check us out for service, and come check us out if you want to buy one. My number is 503-758-3612. This is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. Thank you so much. Bye.